children. Do you remember what we learned in our last class? We learned some words that start with letter V. This is letter V. And the phonic sound of letter V is V. See, this is the last class letter V words phonic sound പഠിപ്പിച്ചു. Let's revise the words once again. Van, vegetables, vase, violin, valley, violet flower, vulture. Now, let's do an activity. To do this activity, we need a tray with sand, or you can either use rubber. Now, I will show you how to write the letter V. Backward slanting line, forward slanting line. Letter V. I'll show you once again. Backward slanting line, forward slanting line. Letter V. Letter V. Once again, I'll show you. Backward slanting line, forward slanting line. Letter V. Now, I will show you how to write letter V in 4 lines. Here you can see first line, second line, third line, fourth line. Children, letter V is also a short letter. All short letter will be written between second and third line. Letter V short letter ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ second and third line അകത്താണ് എഴുതാൻ പോകുന്നത്. So, we have to keep the pencil on the second line, draw backward slanting line, hold till the third line, hold the pencil, forward slanting line from the same point, letter V. Once again, I show you. Draw, keep the pencil on the second line, draw backward slanting line till the third line, draw forward slanting line from the same point, letter V. Again, keep the pencil on the second line, draw backward slanting line till the third line, draw forward slanting line from the same point, letter V. Again, I'll show you. Miss pencil second line ലാണ് വെക്കുന്നത്. അവിടുന്ന് backward slanting line third line touch ചെയ്തു. വീണ്ടും forward slanting line. ആ same point ന് തന്നെ forward slanting line. Letter V. Same. Backward slanting line. Touch the third line. Hold the pencil here. Forward slanting line from the same point, letter V. Again, keep the pencil on the second line, backward slanting line till the third line, hold the pencil, forward slanting line from the same point, letter V. This is how we write letter V. Children, this is our 4-line worksheet. Question is, write small letter V in the box, trace over the dotted letter. How will you write letter V? Backward slanting line. Hold the pencil here. Forward slanting line. Letter V. I'll show you here. We are going to trace the now here. Backward slanting line. Hold the pencil here. Again draw forward slanting line. Letter V. Here you can see 4 lines. First line, second line, third line, fourth line. Short letters എപ്പോഴും സെക്കൻഡ് ലൈനിനും തേർഡ് ലൈനിൻ്റെ അകത്താണ് എഴുതുന്നത്. So keep the pencil in the second line. Draw backward slanting line. Touch the third line. Third line le miss pencil hold ചെയ്തു. എന്നിട്ട് വീണ്ടും draw forward slanting line. Letter P. Again I'll show you. Second line, keep the pencil in the second line. Draw backward slanting line. Hold the pencil and draw forward slanting line from the same point, letter V. When you write, you have to say the formation. Okay, children? പറഞ്ഞ് formation പറഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതേണ്ടത്. Like this, you have to do this. Here you can see some pictures. ഇത് നമ്മൾ ഈ വീട് വേർഡ്സ് പഠിച്ചതാണ് അല്ലേ? You have to color this pictures. The van, the vegetables, the violin, the vulture. You can color these pictures. ഇത് നമ്മുടെ 4-line worksheet ആണ്. This is our 4-line worksheet. Here also same, you have to keep the pencil on the second line, draw backward slanting line till third line, hold the pencil, again draw forward slanting line from the same point, letter V. Here again, keep the pencil on the second line, draw backward slanting line till the third line, draw forward slanting line from the same point, letter V. Like this, you have to write and finish the worksheet. See children, this is our activity worksheet. First question is, identify letter V and find the way by draw a line to connect all the V's in the maze. You have to draw a line to connect all the V's in the maze. Line, miss, കാണിച്ചു തരാം. V, letter V എവിടെയുള്ളത്? Start from here. Draw a line like this. Next letter V is here. And draw a line like this. Here, ഇവിടെ താഴെ letter V ആണോ? അല്ല. Next letter V is here. So you have to connect like this. അതുപോലെ നിങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ V എവിടേക്ക് ഉണ്ടോ ഇതുപോലെ കണക്ട് ചെയ്ത് ലൈൻ വരയ്ക്കണം. Okay children? Next question is, color the circles with letter V, capital V or small v. ഇവിടെ സർക്കിളിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് V കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, ലെറ്റർ V കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. You have to color only letter V. V ഉള്ള സർക്കിൾസ് മാത്രം കളർ ചെയ്യണം. Next question is, say the name of each picture. Circle the letter that matches the beginning sound. First picture. Look at the first picture. This is van. Van. എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ which letter makes a sound b? Letter V. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ 3 letters കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. Is this V? No. This is letter V. So you have to circle like this. അതുപോലെ നിങ്ങൾ this is next picture നോക്കുക. എന്നിട്ട് what is the next picture? Vulture. ഇവിടെ letter V എവിടെയാണുള്ളത്? ഇവിടെ letter V you have to circle. ഇവിടെ letter V എവിടെയുള്ളതെന്ന് നോക്കിയിട്ട് അവിടെ circle ചെയ്യണം. Next, this is the vegetable. Vegetables. See, this is the vegetables. ഇവിടെ 3 letters കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതുപോലെ you have to circle only the letter V. Color the uppercase V in red and lowercase v in yellow. ഇവിടെ 2 ലെറ്റർ ഉണ്ട്. ലോവർ കേസും ഉണ്ട്, അപ്പർ കേസ് വി ഉണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾ കളർ you have to color uppercase V in red color. Uppercase V, red color. Lowercase v in yellow color. You have to color the uppercase V red color കളർ ചെയ്യണം. Lowercase v yellow color കളർ ചെയ്യണം. Children, practice the worksheet at home. I am going to conclude my class for today. See you. Bye bye.